This is my latest setup as a work-from-home content manager. I use the matching pink Logi Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and this is my second keyboard because I didn't take good care of the first one. But I bought the mouse in 2020 and it still works. I also use an iPad to read ebooks, watch videos, and take notes. Instead of an Apple Pencil, I bought this cheaper version. It's really good, I like it. And I use it to draw and write down notes and practice my drawing skills. My only decoration on my desk are these Uffy Disney stuffed toys. I bought them at Hong Kong Disneyland in 2018. They're a little worn out now, but I still love them. They make me happy whenever I see them while I'm working. I also have a custom-made resin coaster, and I think it's so pretty. It goes well with my favorite tumbler from Starbucks. I love the siren design, and it has a special lid, but please don't mind the coffee stains there. I just used it this morning. By the way, please subscribe if you want to see more of these types of videos. I'm gonna try and post every Monday. And I'm also gonna share a little bit about why I moved to Canada. Hand lotion is a must-have for me when I'm working because my hands get dry very quickly. Right now I'm using aromatherapy from Bath & Body Works. I also try to remember to take my supplement every day. That's why I keep it on my desk. Right now I'm taking one a day, women. I've been using the same AirPods since 2020. Understandably, the battery life isn't as long now, but I still keep using them, especially when I listen to ASMR. Now this weird looking thing is just a massager brush. And I use the supplement's packaging as a pencil holder. Now I'm gonna let you in on a secret. My favorite pen is the Pilot G207. I think it's the same pen that law students use when they're taking the board exam in the Philippines. I have a lot of journaling and self-reflection books on my desk too. Since my work requires a lot of creativity, I try to find inspiration from different things every day. I try to keep a quick record of what happened that day, and I'm using this one-sentence journal by Gretchen Rubin. I try to use my colored pencils to fill out some of my journals, such as this one by Neera Lee Patel. I've had this one for years now, but I just try to use it whenever I am in the mood to fill out a page, and I put a date on the page, and that way, you know, when I look back and reflect on what I wrote there through the years, I would know when exactly I wrote that. And I also have this notebook where I just jot down my big ideas, no matter how crazy they are, what my plans are for those ideas. And that is my desk. So if you want to know what my monitor is, please keep watching. I'm going to show you what product I bought and, you know, a quick little unboxing for you. So I ordered the Dell S2721H Monitor online, and it arrived about a week after I ordered it. It's so easy to set up, so just plug and play basically. The original price was $404.99 Canadian dollars, but it was on sale and I got it for just $248.58 plus free 6 months of Disney Plus. So here's how you install the stand. Let me just show you in the video right here. And you can tilt the screen because of this feature. Once you've got that, you just carefully insert it at the back and then you push it up until it clicks in place. So the monitor doesn't come with a USB to HDMI cord, just an HDMI to HDMI cord. So I ordered one from Amazon for about 20 Canadian dollars, and it works like a charm. What about you? What's your desk must-have? Please share in the comments below, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.